Very big. Ready? A new cool piece of gear for today, a pair of boots from Rev'it. They are called Expedition H2O and they are just in this box in front of me. I'll have to open it up so we can take a closer look at them. This is a very cool boot. It's inspired by the motocross boots because you have this rug plastic system over here so you can slide your ankle. They have these protections in the front. And they also have the BOA system like the previous version. So very good protections on these boots because from what I can see right now, you have protection for your ankle so you won't go sideways because of this plastic system that helps also with the movement. It slides just a bit. So this front area which will protect you from stones or hitting your foot pegs. And the boot itself is very rough, very well made with a Vibram sole, which seems very hard. What I like the most about them is that they have a protection system inside, which is very helpful because I had a lot of issues with my ankles, broken ankles because of the motocross boots. They are not very snug and they allow you to move left and right like this. But hopefully with this system, this is not the case. You also have the BOA closing system for your leg, which will ensure a tight fitment, and afterwards this protection over your foot. This is not your usual Vibram sole. It's like the one for hiking because you have a lot of threads over here, so you'll have the most grip while trying to grab your bike from the mud or going on rocks with them. Okay, you can also take off the layers and see the inner boot that it's over here. It's very comfortable. The materials are very comfy. They feel very good on my hand. I know they will feel good on my leg. But what I like the most is that I've spotted over here made in Romania. So this is my home country. The protections are also for the back. I've spotted it right now. It's a plastic protection almost like rock hard. So this is very important while riding in enduro. Enough talking, let's put them on a leg. You see how the outer layer comes in the front while tightening up and everything goes together like snug. So now this area over and you are well protected, my friend. So you have this frontal protection, back protection, and also for your ankle. And I see a lot of movement over there. So this is a very important feature that you can walk with these boots on your legs. So what do you think so far?
Well, they're more comfortable than I thought, you know, because when I first saw them, I thought that were gonna be just some motocross boots, something like that, something similar, but they're not. I think they seem suitable for adventure riding, and when I say adventure riding, I'm thinking about spending the whole day in this boot and even walking and grabbing your bike and things like that. I think they're fit for this job. I had some ugly crashes. I didn't have this boot on because this is new. I had an adventure boot. It protected me, but it didn't feel okay. It hurt for a couple of minutes.
What do you say? Let's test the waterproofing system.
totally waterproof.
I can't believe you.
Yeah, no, really, totally waterproof. Not a single drop of water inside the boot.
That thing
really
throws
amazing.
around 10 bars of water.
I don't care, you could put it on 20 bars of water. These are totally waterproof, and we could spend the whole day doing this. But of course, there's a basic rule: you should put the pant over your boot, because if the
Otherwise it will drip inside your boot and
yeah,
you will get away.
exactly. But otherwise, this boot is completely waterproof. It feels just fine, no issues when changing the gears. But I still gotta test it more. I gotta do a real life test. I mean, I gotta ride the bike and see how this boot behave when shifting. But so far, it feels okay. It feels very good.